once again.
Class 10, Lesson 7, Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.3, the fifth sum. You have studied in Class 9 that the median of a triangle divided into two triangles of equal area. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices they are given. So through diagram I will explain you. They are given triangle ABC. So first I am drawing the triangle ABC. This vertices A coordinate point also they are given 4 comma minus 6, and B coordinate point they are given 3 comma minus 2, and the C coordinate point they are given 5 comma 2. Now listen, a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So if you draw the median for the triangle, it divides two triangle. The both the area of triangle is equal. That result only we have to verify. How you will draw the median? Median we can draw through A or B or C. Any vertices we can draw the median. Suppose now I am drawing the median from A, means A opposite side BC. I want to find the midpoint. This midpoint I consider as D. Now I am joining AD. Now AD is median of a triangle ABC. So it will divide two triangle. One triangle is ABD, another triangle is ADC. Both the area of triangle are equal. That result only we have to verify. So first we can consider a triangle ABD. We have to find out the area. Next we can find out the triangle ADC area. Then we can check both the answers are same or not. So first here let not, because here itself they are given the coordinate, so we can write as it is, no need to write let. A 4 comma minus 6, and B is 3 comma minus 2, and the C is 5 comma 2, and let D is midpoint of the line BC. D is a midpoint of the line. Now two triangle you get. One triangle is ABD, another triangle is ADC. So you want to find out the area of triangle, you need three coordinate point. AB, you know how to find out the value of D. Now here if you want to find out D, we have to use a section formula. Already you know, one point is B 3 comma minus 2, another point is C 5 comma 2, and D is a midpoint I told. Then BD and DC both are equal. D is a midpoint. You have to find out the coordinate point of D, means we will use a section formula only. The ratio, if it is midpoint, the ratio is 1:1. So already you know the formula of section formula, midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So now we can find out, using this formula we can find the coordinate point of D. So D of x comma y equal to, we are using the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here x1 comma y1, and this point I consider x2 comma y2. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, minus 2 and 2. So minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 divided by 2, comma minus 2 and plus 2 0. So 0 divided by 2. So 2 and 8 you cancel, you will get 4. So 4 comma 0 you divide by any number, the answer is 0. So the coordinate point of D is 4 comma 0. So now we found coordinate point of D. Next step we have to find out area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC. Now we can find out area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD, we can use the formula 1 divided by 2, x1, x2, x3, again x1, y1, y2, y3, again y1. Here the point I will write A coordinate pointers 4, -6 and B coordinate pointers 3, -2 and D coordinate pointers now only we found 4, 0. So here 4, -6 I consider x1, y1, 3, -2 I consider x2, y2 and D 4, 0 I consider x3, y3. Now I will substitute this values in this formula. So 1 divided by 2 x1, y1 4, -6 x2, y2 3 -2 x3, y3 4, 0 again x1, y1 4 -6. Arrow mark we can draw. Top to bottom arrow mark, if you multiply, the middle symbol is plus. Then 4 into -2 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into -6. Next, down to bottom arrow mark, the symbol is minus 6 into 3. So minus 6 into 3. Again minus symbol, -2 into 4. So minus 2 into 4. Again minus symbol, 0 into 4. So 0 into 4. So 4, 1 by 2. Now we can simplify. So 4 you are multiplying with -2. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 plus 3 zeros are 0. Plus into minus minus. 6 4s are 24. Minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. Minus 0 4s are 0. So 1 divided by 2. Minus 8 and plus 8 we can cancel. Minus 24 and plus 18. 18 and minus 24 you are subtracting, you will get minus 6. Already told you, area of triangle means the modulus answer want to come positive. If it is coming negative, we can write modulus. So modulus sign you can write instead of bracket. So 1 divided by 2, modulus of 6 minus 6 we can write 6. 2 table if you cancel you will get. So 3 square units. So area of triangle ABD we found 3 square unit. Similarly we can find out another triangle area also. Next we can find out area of triangle ACD. So A coordinate point I written, C I written and D I written and formula also I written. So A coordinate point I consider x1, y1, C coordinate point x2, y2 and D coordinate point x3, y3. Now I am substituting here. So 1 divided by 2, instead of x1, y1 we can write 4 minus 6 x2, y2 we can write 5 2 x3, y3 we can write 4 0. Again we can write 4 minus 6. Now arrow mark we can write top to bottom, the middle symbol is plus. Then 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0 plus 4 into minus 6. Now bottom to top, the symbol is minus 6 into 5, 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4, again minus symbol, 0 into 4. So 0 into 4. Then now 1 by 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 5 zeros are 0 plus into minus minus 6 4s are 24 minus into minus plus 6 5s are 30 4 2s are 8 minus, so minus 8, 0 you multiply with 4, the answer is 0. So plus 8 minus 8 we can cancel. So 1 divided by 2, minus 24 plus 30. 30 you subtract 24, you will get 6. So here 6 is positive, so no need to put modulus sign. Directly we can cancel 1 time, 3 times. So 3 square units. So area of ACD also 3 square unit. Area of ABD also 3 square unit. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Therefore, the median of a triangle divides it to equal area. Hence, verified. Very important sum. Repeated board exam question. So, practice well.